Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech. This is just a fresh Windows installation I've done on my PC, and I just realized that now I need my hard drive to be partitioned into two. But meanwhile, when I was doing the installation, I've just made it all the partition together. And as you can see, this is the partition that I have on my PC. It's a 500 gig hard drive, and it's all together. So, and I want it to be partitioned into two. Now, can I still do that? Yes, it's very easy and simple to do. So let's get into the video and solve this issue by creating our other partition to this. So now to create the partition, it's very easy and simple. Now, once you have the partition here, you can just go to your disk management and create the partition out of this. Now to do this, on your taskbar, just right click on your start button and go to disk management here, right? So this is Windows 11, but equally you can apply the same thing on Windows 10 or Windows 8. So this is my hard drive, and this is the total size. Now to make the partition out, so this is the main partition. So just right click on it and click on shrink volume. So click on shrink volume. Right, so this is just the total hard drive. As it says, it's 500 gig. Now, depending on the size that you want to take out, so you just type in the size that you want here. So for my case, I need 200 gig to stand out as my other partition. So let's do that. So I'll just do, let's say, 200 and right. So this is 210 gig. I want it to be exactly 200 gig. So once you have the 200 gig, 210,000 here, so just click on shrink. Right. So this is the partition. This is the partition here, which is unlocated. So if you go to your computer, you can see that just refresh here. Right, you can see our hard drive is now 216. It's no more 490 something. So let's go here. Let's go back to the disk management, as we have the disk management here. So to make it visible, so just right click on the unlocated space and click on new volume. Click on next and click on next. So equally, if you want to partition this same hard drive again, you can just, but I need it all to be together. So just click on next as our drive D. You can give your drive letter here, but I'll maintain it as drive D. So you go to next and then click on next, finish. So you just wait patiently for it to finish formatting. Yes, as you can see, we have the drive here. Now if you go to this PC, we have our hard disk here partitioned into two. Now if you open here, it is equally there. Whatever that you want to copy in there, you can just copy in there, and that is your main hard drive. So if you go to the disk management, you can see that we have two partitions available now. Right, so this is our drive C and this is our drive D. Equally, if you go to this PC, you have it here. So that is just how simple and easy to create a partition out of your PC, to create an additional partition if you are already running an existing Windows fully functioning normal and you want to create the partition out of the hard drive. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next video. Peace out.